Where's my breakfast?
Coming right up.
Oh, thanks. Did you make me one? Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog.
It's good to see you guys. Avis is asleep right now. We're making some breakfast for ourselves.
Today is game 5 of the NBA Finals, so we're rooting for the Lakers. Go
Let's
Lakers!
go Lakers!
Go Lakers! Hopefully we win today. While we're watching the Laker game, we're gonna make this big old table full of nachos, and we're gonna have like a bunch of toppings so each person can put whatever they want in their little area. Do your Laker dance. Junior, good morning. What are you eating?
Huevo rancheros.
May I help you? So Mavis's bottle is ready for whenever she wakes up. I always change her in the morning, but this morning she ate her bottle and then she went to sleep. So once she wakes up, I'm going to get her dressed. These bowls are new. We got them from Amazon. They came in a little pack like this with a bunch of different colors. Somebody just woke up. You slept a long time. Did you have a good nap? Mavis, are you so hungry? Mavis is all done eating. You're done? Was it so good? And then I made a little list for what we need for later for the nachos. Are you gonna eat some nachos? No! No nachos for you! No way! She can almost sit up all by herself. She's still a little bit wobbly, but for the most part, as long as... Whoa! That was the biggest burp from the littlest baby. Wow. That was so big. Yes, it was. So yeah, the list is ready, and now I gotta get this little booger dressed. So this is how I comb Mavis's hair. I sit her in between my legs and I give her a little toy. All I use in her hair is lotion. Right now we're using the Johnson's Shea and Cocoa Butter lotion. Then if it looks a little messy, I'll just use the comb. And then we use these little rubber bands. Hey, 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 you're doing so good. What happened to your monkey? Did he flip over? Here we go. I found him. Here he is. We're almost done. We just need to add the bow. And that's it. Yay, Mavis. Yay. So there we have it. Mavis is all ready for today. We didn't end up putting her socks on because it's going to be a little hot today. But that bow is so cute. You are so cute. So Mavis is turning 6 months in less than 2 weeks. So Justin will probably go to the store to get the stuff we need.
They told me it is. Good morning, guys. Justin here. I'm over here in Superior Groceries, about to get all of the essential things that we need for our nachos today. Nacho table. Peace. Peace. Hey guys, so just already went to the market and got everything that I needed. Now I'm gonna show you what we got right now. Just a little quick snippet. Today we've got a bunch of chips from Superior, some ice, got some ground beef, a lot of vegetables, got ourselves some squirt.
So I'm gonna start preparing the stuff for the nachos later. I'm gonna cook the ground beef. We just got 3 pounds of ground beef. I just have to cut up the toppings: tomatoes, some green onions, some olives, and jalapenos, which are already ready. All I have to do is put them in a bowl. We like to put beans on our nachos, so we got some refried beans, Rita, because that's the best brand of beans there is. So I just gotta heat those up, and then obviously heat up the nacho cheese. And then for extra cheese, we got some shredded cheese. So after we put on that cheese, we'll put that on top so it can melt, and it'll be nice and yummy. And then to season the meat, I'm gonna add a good amount of garlic powder and also some meat seasoning. Mavis woke up, so they're gonna do everything.
What do I do with the cheese? I open the cheese? Just like that.
That's so ugly. Right here, we're gonna heat up the beans.
Oh.
And then the nacho cheese, we need to find a pot for it to heat it up. So Mavis and I are out here chilling as they're in there cooking. So up here we got the chips ready. We got some Superior chips because this is the best kind of chips. And I think it would be perfect for nachos. Who's out here? Who's outside? Ew, who's that? Hi, Ella. That's it, the table of nachos. Oh shoot. Ready to eat? Ready to eat? Guys ready?
Bring on the nachos.
Mavis, you ready for some nachos?
Trusted man will get it off the offense. Absolutely. 2 turnovers.
Is it good?
That was just
So we didn't even make a dent in it, dude. And we're all stuffed. Look at this guy. Junior, you got it? The good news is what?
Lakers are winning.
By what?
30 points.
Smells like victory to me. Mavis, you're gonna help us eat the nachos? We're all full. Jesse, you were supposed to finish the nachos.
No can do, Cardall.
Dude, what are we gonna do with all that food? On another note, we have 2 minutes left, and it's 103 to 81. Lakers winning. Who do you think's gonna win?
Dodgers.
And the Lakers will win game 6.
Boy, splashing.
And now, Cook can just dribble it out.
Oh my
And
goodness.
J.R. Smith already shirtless. Final seconds here in this NBA season. The respect from those two. And that's it. That's over. This historic 2020 NBA championship.
You guys are late. Go Lakers!
They're gonna have me scream, "Let's go Lakers."
You guys want nachos?
No, I get.
Hey, where's my cheerleaders at, man?
Come on,
Cheerleaders, go! Go cheerleaders! They're bringing the nachos!
You're posting this on your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at Jessie celebrating with the miche. So Mavis is just finishing her last bottle of the day before she goes to bed. She is very tired. Oh, if you didn't notice, we got her ears pierced. She did so good. She didn't cry whatsoever. I'll link the people that did it down below because I know a lot of people are not piercing ears right now. But yeah, today was fun. The nachos were delicious. And it's so cool that the Lakers won the finals. But she turned 6 months in 2 weeks, so hopefully we'll vlog. We're excited for Mavis to turn half a year. We wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mavis, say bye.